And this is the passenger part of the Cody Park train display. It is so beautiful. There's a buffalo. It's a huge tourist attraction. I mean, it is just phenomenal. There's my husband way down there. Schedule. I mean, this is so cool. This is my favorite thing in Cody Park. It is so pretty. There's an overlook of Bailey Yards in North Platte, Nebraska. I'm just slowly walking through the train window. Let's see what this is. This is a hand-operated rail drill 1910. So yeah, it's old. Got cobwebs. Rail bags. All the different parts. Railroad signaling apparatus, early 1990s. This is so cool. Fireman scoop with a coal. All their tools and parts they use for the train. All the different gauges. I mean, this is so cool. I mean, I love it here. Over here, they have different pictures on the wall. I mean, I just love it. Another window. This is a bike, real bike, used to check the track, the train. I guess this was one of the outfits they wore. It's on a mannequin. Different pictures for the passengers to sit on. The conductor's outfits, the uniforms they wore. Little toy model trains. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's hot in here. I'm gonna be sweating by the time I get outside. More pictures on the wall. In the display case, they have a toy model of the train that I'm walking through. Different stuff they used. Okay, I'm getting ready to cross into the next car. This is whistle from North Platte Roundhouse, used for fire, curfew, and emergencies. Crossing cars into the mail car. It's where they used to carry all the mail.
And they have to have guns to help them protect themselves for people that want to get on the train and try to rob, destroy the messengers.
That's my husband. He knows a lot about trains. He's obsessed. There's a door. I don't know what that was used for.
What?
This door over here. These doors.
Get out.
They get out if you have to.
No, pretty much. These were how they get in and out of the cars when they wanted to do something, when they're loading or unloading the mail or getting people onto the train.
Mail bags. Another picture on the wall. All the different mail bags. They even have an old toilet here. I'll show you that. That's pretty cool. Different mail bags.
Packaging boxes for the package held, the whole package is bigger than
the bigger packages, right?
Envelopes, yes.
Like the boxes?
Yes.
Okay, all the different mail slots. And as you can see,
all over the state, all over the United States.
And as you can see, some of them still have mail in them.
Oh, they put them in there.
I guess they're just props.
Props to kind of show people how they did it.
That's my husband. What's your name? Honey? Your name? Dougie. That's Dougie. He is my husband. He loves trains. All the different mailboxes.
This whole train, pretty much, right here, is nothing but the mail train.
Yeah, it's a mail car that they transported mail across the United States.
Until you get to the end.
Yeah, until they get to the end, then they went by boat.
But here's
windows.
Pretty much here's the sink where they can go to the restroom, wash their hands. Their fuse boxes are so old. They got the old fuses that we had, that some people have in some of their houses before they had to get them ready to be properly inspected.
Yeah, the round fuses. What was this? Dougie, what was this little area for? Looks like it hold mail bags or something.
No, I think it's for probably, but most is probably for the washing and stuff of the people on the trains. They fill it up, hook a ladder, something right here, and pour it down and pour the water on them.
Sink. Commode. Toilet. Crossing cars again. This is the Cody Park train display in North Platte, Nebraska. It is so cool. I love it.
Here's the one car that's mostly for passengers that want to sleep or have the railroad staff on the train to sleep, rest between shifts. You even got kind of like a high
sink,
bunks.
bed, closets.
No, that's this one. Oh,
Fuse box. Bed.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in here.
Closet.
Closets, I was right.
Here's your bunks.
Your bigger bunks way up there.
This is for where anybody that wants to, when they're carrying their stuff to sleep or rest. And then you got in here, but most of the people, some people can sit, or one or two people can stretch out and go to sleep.
A little desk over there. An old coal burning stove.
And these are still around if you can lucky enough to find them.
Yeah, you have to be extremely lucky though.
Probably you can find these kind of stoves probably at an antique store.
Oh, I'd love to own one if I could ever get a big enough house. It'd be in my garage. It wouldn't be hooked up. It would just be probably kept in plexiglass.
No, we'll probably keep it in open, but the door thing will be kind of welded shut, so and sanded down or grinded down so it doesn't show it, and kind of make it like a display.
Yeah, it would just be for display and amusement
maybe
only.
You can use it for not just display. You can use it for drink stands or something.
Let me guess. This was an old-fashioned canteen.
Yes, it is.
Oh, isn't that
They're
pretty?
old-fashioned thermoses, pretty much.
Isn't that pretty? Okay, we're getting ready to cross over to the next part of the train. Kind of some steep steps, so you have to watch your step. And if you ever want to come here, it is so cool in person.
Not just you got trains here, you can go walk around and feed animals all you want. You got peacocks.
Yeah, as you can see, these locomotives are huge. I'm only 4'11", so.
But most of these, Union Pacific had a lot of people in the past try to rob them so they can get whatever they want off the train.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for transits.
No, back then. They had people that would rob these for the money.
Train robbers like Jesse James.
Exactly. Because he wanted money. They wanted the money for themselves back then. But now they just gotta worry about lazy transits.
Okay, Doug. Can you explain to everybody what these funky things are? For people who don't know what these are?
Those are the